fish on.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, that's a good fish. Anglers worldwide, I'm Jabroni Joe, so you already know I am back with another show, and in today's video, I really just want to catch a fish, guys. We have not been fishing in over a week, and that's mainly because it's been raining really hardcore here in the state of Oklahoma, which I can't complain. We really need the rain really bad, but I haven't been out because it's been raining a lot, and the wife and I have been really busy. We had our baby shower this last weekend, so we've just been caught up with all kinds of stuff going on. But today the wife is at work. It's a beautiful Monday, and there's a lot of overcast going on. It's good conditions to be out fishing, so we're gonna go down here to the pit and see if we can't get on some fish. I did want to bring the kayak with me today, but with all these recent rains, this entire trail that I normally take down there is nothing but mud, so we just get stuck down there anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and just go down there and bang the bank a little bit, see if we can't get on some fish. Let's get to it, guys. We're gonna start out with this 5-inch baby bass swim bait from Drunk Tank Baits. I've got that on a 5 or 6/0 owner hook. It's actually a flashy hook. I just took the flasher off of it. I wanted just a straight up swim bait setup. Yeah, we're starting out with a big bait today because I'd really kind of like a big fish. Okay, let's move along. We did bring other stuff to fish with, but we're gonna stick to the swim bait to start out. Very overcasty day. There's been so much rain in just the last few days. I don't know if the fish are going to be shut off or turned on. I don't know if they're up here exploring new stuff. Okay. Alright, we're going to switch it up to the old Texas rig with a Drunk Tank Baits Craw. Drunk Tank Baits Craw in black with blue flake. One of my favorite colors, and these are the perfect conditions for it. There we go, rigged up and ready to rock. Let's see if there's a little bit more action on this. We're gonna keep trying, but maybe the weather does have them locked down. Ain't had no luck yet. I'll check right here in front of this tree and shit. Not yet. Do you have a line over this way?
No.
Okay. Wow, I was here just last week and that entire shopping cart was still like out of the water.
Well, it's all in now.
Yeah. Fish on.
Oh,
Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good one, too. Nice little. Whew. Ah. There we go, folks. Finally found one. Nice little bass. Craw. Let's get him back in the water. Whew. Boy, he took off with it too. He thumped it. Ow. No. Oh, God. Everywhere. Oh, I found a freaking fire ant hill, and they are not happy. Fish on. Feels like a decent fish. He's fighting pretty good. Oh, there we go. Wow. Man, he was pulling. There we go. Look at that. Drunk tank baits craw. Right in the mouth. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful sight to see. There we go. Took me a minute to get him unhooked. Had him pinned pretty good, but there we go. Nice little fish. Whew. Fish on. There we go. Another solid fish. Woo! Yeah, there we go. Ooh, hook in the roof of the mouth. Ah, beautiful. Whoo-wee. All right, let's get this fish back. Fish number 3. Second fish in like the last 3 or 4 minutes, I think. Alrighty, anglers, that is going to bring another quick fishing adventure to an end. We were out fishing for 2 or 3 hours today, and we ended up catching 3 fish, and that was definitely a great time, especially since we weren't able to get out and fish for the last week due to all the rain and stuff. So I'm definitely thankful for the fish that we did catch today. All of those fish were caught on Drunk Tank Baits craws. I'm definitely really becoming a big fan of Drunk Tank Baits, especially those craw baits. As soon as I, go through all the craws that I have, I'm definitely going to hit them up and re-up and get another package. Big shout out to them for sending me those baits in the first place. I really do love those baits. I also have to send a big thank you to all of you subscribers out there, because we recently passed the 250 subscriber mark, and I am absolutely blown away by all of the support that I've received from all of you over the last couple of years. Hopefully the channel continues to grow from here. The goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. So be sure to like, comment, and share every single video that you find interesting and that you really like, so that we can try and grow this community and make this channel as big as possible. With all of that being said, I do believe it's time to wrap up today's video, so be sure to smash that like button and body slam a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of today's action. And as always, if you're not already, you've got to super kick subscribe and ring that bell icon so that you can be notified every single time Jabroni Joe uploads a new video. I will catch you guys in the next one, and as always, if it ain't Joe, it's gotta go. Angler out.